Want to unlock incredible deals on Temu and pay with the ease of your CashApp balance? Then you're in the right place. First, open the Temu app and find that must-have item you've been eyeing. Tap on the product to view its details and then select Add to Cart. Once you're ready to check out, tap the shopping cart icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Review your order and then proceed by tapping the Checkout button. Now, this is key in the payment method section. Look for the option to add a payment method. If you see CashApp directly listed, select it. If not, you will most likely select a credit card or debit card option. Open your CashApp and tap the Cash Card icon here. You'll find your routing and account number or debit card information associated with your CashApp account. You'll need to enter this into Temu as if you are adding a credit or debit card. Carefully enter your CashApp card number, expiration date, and CVV code into the corresponding fields on the Temu checkout page. Double-check that the information is correct before proceeding. After adding your CashApp information, review your order details, including the shipping address and payment method. If everything looks good, tap Confirm and Pay to complete your purchase. You should receive a notification from CashApp confirming the transaction, and that's it. You've successfully used CashApp to make a purchase on Temu. Enjoy your new goodies.